Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening, Shreyashi. Yeah, children, first question we have to go with, there is application sums only, we will start now. See the question, if 42 men earns means they are earning rupees. If 42 men earns rupees 13,860 rupees they are earning.
Ma'am, when did the class start?
No, just now. Just I am writing the question on screen. You just saw who just now we started. We are going with direct and inverse proportions. Sahu, basic part only completed. Today we will go with a few more application sums. If 42 men earn rupees 13,860 for a day's work, how much money would 112 men can earn per days? How much money earns by 112 men? Is it a direct proportion or indirect
Yes, ma'am,
proportion?
direct proportion.
Very good, very good. Because 42 earning this much means if you go with 112 men means it's going to direct proportion. We can. This is a very simple question, children. How you supposed to do? As usual, your
42,
ratio
ma'am, 13860 by 42 into 112.
13.
13860 by 42 into 112.
Exactly. So 42 is to 112 is as or equal to 13,860 is to unknown thing take as x. Same thing what we supposed to do, product of means product. If you want x value, you just multiplied 112 13860 divide with 42. 42 how many times, children? Any simplification part, please check it and simplify and give the answer. Come on, who are going to give fast?
Ma'am, it's 330 into 112.
330 into 112. Very good. 330
Yes.
into 112. Yeah. So it's 12, 330 into 112. 112 33 times. So come on, children, please
Ma'am,
give thanks.
36960.
Ma'am, 36960.
Yes,
Very
ma'am,
good.
36960.
Very good. 36, 960. 960 rupees they're earning. 112 men can earn 36,960 rupees. That these are the basic things, children. The same thing yesterday also we discussed. Once again, we will go with a few questions on direct proportion, then we can start our indirect proportion. Next. So 8 men and 6 women earns. This is also some different part, but it is very similar, children. 8 men and 6 women. 6 women can earn rupees 808. So these two together earns 888 per hour. How much will 12 men 12 men and 15 women can earn per hour? How much these people will earn per hour, not per day, children? It's per hour. The question is also this 12 men and 15 women together, how much they will earn per hour? So is it direct proportion or indirect proportion? If you just
Ma'am,
see,
direct proportion.
very good. Men is raising here, women part also raising. So amount earned by the people also will increase. Yes, children, it's a general sense. If you think you will
Yes,
get
ma'am.
it's a direct proportion. So how you supposed to find here? How you supposed to find here? We can I take as general 12 people can earn a triplet so that
Ma'am, can we take it as same
yes,
like 8 plus 6,
Ma'am,
14?
can we
14
take 8
people.
is to 6 equals to 888?
very good. That means 14 persons. We are here generally they are giving men and women, but no difference here. We 14
Yes, ma'am. So we can
persons.
take 14 people on 888. So
Yes,
12 plus
14
15.
persons can earn triplet rupees. The question they may confuse children, no need of confusion here. 12 plus 15 together, 12 plus 15 together,
27.
27.
27 persons, how much? That's all children, if you know simple technique, so that triplet by 14 into 27. Yes, please simplify and give the answer, ma.
Ma'am, 27 into 24. Sorry, 74, 74.
7 sir, 4 times, okay. So 74 into 27. Yes, children, please give the answer.
Ma'am, rupees 1998 per hour.
Very good. No need of confusion here, children. It is also direct proportion, but seeing question looks different, but answer you can sum up the men and women together so that you are getting 14 people can earn rupees triplet, whereas 27 people how much? Very simple task, children.
Ma'am, I did not understand this above one. This question is there, and ma'am, it's above one,
Uh,
ma'am.
Above one is very
Man,
direct question, ma. 42 men earns 13,860 per day. So 112 men, how much they will earn? Whether they are earning more or less, my dear. If the people manpower has increased, means their earnings also increased. Yes or no? So
yes,
is
ma'am.
it direct proportion or indirect proportion? What is it? Is it direct or indirect proportion, ma? Yes, please open your mouth and answer the question, children. Is it direct or indirect?
Ma'am, it's direct.
Right.
Ma'am,
It's direct proportion. So answer is what
ma'am,
is
can
the
you hear me
answer,
right,
ma?
ma'am?
Yes, what is the answer after multiplying? 3552. Is it 3552, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, 74 multiplied with the 27.
Ma'am, it's 1998.
Ma'am, it is 1998. Ma'am, you can hear me right,
Ma'am,
ma'am. I was shouting,
1998.
ma'am.
1998.
Okay, 1998. 1998. Let me check, children. 740 plus 740. Okay. I'm getting
Ma'am, I was
different.
shouting, ma'am. You can hear me right, ma'am?
Yes,
I
yes,
guess you weren't able to
Shreyashi,
hear me, ma'am.
I can hear you. Shreyashi, I can hear you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when you asked like it is direct or indirect, ma'am, I was shouting it is direct, ma'am. And then like
Okay,
I guess you
I
didn't
didn't
hear
get.
Ma'am,
me, ma'am.
her
Sorry, I
voice was
didn't get.
very low.
Yeah, I didn't get that time, my dear. Now I can hear you very clearly. Yes, children, shall we go with the indirect part, or else shall I do more bits on this direct
Ma'am,
proportion?
indirect, indirect.
Okay. Last bit in direct proportion. A car traveling an average speed of 65 kilometer per hour. A car traveling 65 kilometer per hour. Whereas how much distance will it travel in 24 minutes? 24 minutes, how much distance it will travel? So car can travel 65 kilometers in 1 hour. That means in 60 minutes, how much distance it is
65
traveling, children?
kilometers.
65 kilometers. In
Ma'am, it is
24 minutes,
65.
yeah, in 24 minutes, how much? Come on, children, 65 into 60 multiplied with the 24. Just you have to
Ma'am, we
divide
can
with
make it
10.
25, 24 upon 60, which is 2 by 5. And 65 into 2 by 5 we can do.
65 into 2 by 5 means 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 threes are 15, 13 twos are 26
Ma'am, 26.
kilometers.
26 kilometers.
Very
Yes,
good,
ma'am.
ma. Very good. 26 kilometers it will travel in 24 minutes. Like that, sometimes direct questions are not happening, children. But you know, 1 hour kilometer per hour, 65 kilometer per hour a car is traveling. That means 1 hour 60 minutes. 60 minutes time it is traveling 65 kilometers means in 24 minutes how much? If you understand the question, it's very easy task, children. The next one. Yeah, if 15 men can dig a hole, different questions. The concept is same, children. Questioning only different way. Concept is the same thing. So here, 15 men dig a hole. 15 men dig a hole for 3 by 4 meters. For 3 by 4 meters long in one day. In one day, 15 men can dig this much wall, this much. How much men will be required to dig 38 meters? If you want to dig 38 meters, how many men should be required to dig that part? 38 meters. How we supposed to do here, Sahu? Sahu.
Ma'am, here first we need to take out one man's work.
No need. It's not direct proportion only, right, Sahu?
Yes, ma'am.
It's direct proportion, Sahu. Take as a ratio and proportion concept too, if you have such a doubt. So 15 is to x is as or else equal to 4.5 means 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. 18 by 4 is to
Ma'am, 19,
38.
right?
Nana, 4 4s are 16, 16, 19. Sorry, Nana, 19. Very good. One is thinking, rest all are sleeping. 19 by 4. So what do you want to find the value of x? Come on, children, 38 multiplied by 15 divide with 19 by 4 means reciprocal of this. You will get, children,
4 by
38
19
into,
multiply by.
yes, multiplied by 4 by
19 ones
9.
are 19 twos are.
By 4 by 9.
Very good. So 15 twos are
Ma'am, I got
30.
it.
34s are. 120, ma'am. 120 men
It
will
will
be
be
needed.
120. Yes, ma'am. 120, ma'am.
120 men
120
can
men.
dig 38 meters. Yes. Yeah, someone is asking. Any doubt, ma? Here, please.
Ma'am, no
The
doubt.
question is 15 men can dig in one day 4 meters, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 meters. So how many men can dig 38 meters? Shall we move to next inverse proportion? Children, can I give more bits on this or else shall we move? Because indirect proportion only new. This is already your known thing only for you. It's like a proportion, ratios and proportion we are learning in class, lower classes too. There are many application questions in this, children. There are many things you can frame your own to the questions. And next we will go with indirect proportion. Yes, any doubt, Krishna Ditya? Krishna Ditya, are you there? Krishna, am I audible to you? Are you there? Any doubt, ma? Yes. Jashmita, Likitha, Pallav, Pallav. Okay, Sahasra, Satvik joined, right? Any doubt, children? If you have any doubts, please let me know so that I can explain once again direct proportion, or else we'll move to, okay, right, Nana. Next, indirect proportions or inverse proportion. Inverse proportions or indirect proportions, both are same. In inverse proportions, how the questions, we will go with the directly examples, children. Inverse proportion. In previous case, if there are two quantities, if one quantity is raising, means another ratio, another part is also increasing or decreasing, both same way it is. But here one is increasing, one should be decreasing. How it is happens in our day-to-day life examples we will take. And 9 men.
Ma'am, if the number
Yeah.
of men doing a work is increased, the work will take less
Exactly.
time to complete.
Less time only we can finish. Very good. Suppose
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are
If we
painting,
increase the speed of the vehicle, will take less time to reach the destination.
reach the distance very quickly. Very good. Then there are many applications, children. There are many applications. By reading the question only, you're supposed to understand whether it is direct or indirect. That's why carefully reading question is important in the this part. If 9 men, if 9 men can mow a field, 9 men can mow a field, mow a field.
Ma'am, for inverse proportion, we can tell that x is directly
In-
proportional to 1 by y.
Very good, very good. X is directly 1 by y.
Ma'am, and
4
xy
days.
is equal to k constant.
Yes, that is also we can take in
Yes,
our
ma'am. In
simplification.
direct proportion, x by y is equals to k. Here, xy is equals to k.
Yes, ma'am. Multiplication division.
Yes, in direct proportions, we are
Division.
going to take as x by, in direct
X
proportions, we
by
are
y is
taking
equals
as
to k.
k, whereas in indirect inverse proportions,
xy.
we are taking
xy is equals to
x
k.
by equal to k. Very good, Nana. So in how many days, can 6 men mow the same field? In how many days? In how many days 6 men can mow the same field? 6 men can mow the same field. Same field. You see, children, if 9 men are
Ma'am, in
doing
6 days, ma'am.
in
In
4
6
days,
days. Ma'am, the answer is 6, ma'am.
okay. Answer is 6. Very good. How you did, Satvik? Can you please
Ma'am,
help
I
to
did,
others?
ma'am, xy is equal to k constant, ma'am. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. That is equal to 6 into x, ma'am. Then it will be
That is
36 is equal to 6 into x. X is equal to 36 by 6, which is 6.
very good. Very good. Very good. Or else, if you take a number of days required to mow that part
Ma'am,
taken
we
as
can
a,
take the quantities, like if we make men as x, then we can take the days y and then we can calculate.
very good. That is one way. Or else, how we supposed to do? Or else, how we supposed to do? Or else, how we supposed to do, children? Directly, children, you frame an equation. So 9 people, 9 by 6, 9 by 6 equal to how your denominator for this you part taken as some
X.
unknown part. Yes, now you have to do to find the value of x. Very, very simple, children. 9 divided with 6 is equal to, here why we are taking in denominator, previous we are taking in direct proportions on numerator, but here inverse proportion. That's why it is getting as a reverse of that, quite reverse to that. Yeah. Come on, find the value of x. To find the value of x, 9 into 4 divide with 6.
36 is equals to
36.
6x. So
Yes.
36 by 6 is
6.
equals to x. X is 6.
6. Same field.
Yes.
How many days they can mow, children? They can mow in
6 days.
6 days.
6 days.
Because they are increasing the 9 men can
Decreasing.
decreasing the manpower means days also increased.
Increases.
Yes, children. The same way, there are many applications. You can take your own part too, children, where the indirect proportions. A company of 1200 men is provisioned for 60 days. 1200 men provisioned for 60 days. So here After 15 days, after 15 days, after 15 days, what happened, children? The 300 men leave the 300 men leave the place. They 300 men leave the company. How long will remaining provisions for the remaining? How long will be? The question is, what is the question, children? How we supposed to frame here? Yes.
Ma'am, how long will the left provisions last for the rest men?
Exactly. How long will the remaining, remaining part of provisions last for? Yes. How we supposed to calculate here,
Ma'am,
children?
first of all, we can reduce that 15 days from 60 days, which is 45
Now,
days.
first we need to write
Wonderful, wonderful. First of all,
1,200 men will finish the work in 60 days.
very good. First of all, you have to reduce the 60 days to
Yes, ma'am.
15. After 15 days,
45
they're
days.
45 days.
yes. Yeah,
It will be
45 days.
900 men in 45
So,
days.
yes, ma'am, 1200 minus 300, 900 men.
Very
Yes.
good. Because how many people are leave from the work, children? There are 300.
300 people
So
leave.
1200 minus 300 is 900 people. Come on, children. Now you have to frame your equation, please. How you supposed to frame your equation right now?
1200 upon 900 is equals to x by 3, x by 45.
45.
Very good. 1200 upon 900 equal to x by 45. Come on, children. Find the value of x here. Find the value of x. So just multiply these two and divide with 900, children. That's all.
Ma'am, 60
How
days. 60
the
days.
required
60,
number of
ma'am.
days? How many
Ma'am,
days are
60
required,
days.
children? 60 days. How you are getting? You just
Ma'am,
take as
900 into 1200 upon, I mean
60.
45 into 12 upon 9.
Ma'am,
Yes.
9
one
ones are 9 fives
1200
are.
into 45 is 54,000, ma'am. Divided
Yes,
by
ma'am.
960.
Ma'am,
Yes.
there only we
So
can cancel that 1200 upon 900. It will become 12 by 9.
right. So that how many days? The required
60
number of
days.
days? 60. That's all, children. There are many questions. Here the question is a little tricky one, but if you understand, it is easy. Why? Because initial values are different and later it is some changes will be happened here. Initial there are 1200 men are provisioned. After 60 days, after 15 days, 300 men leave the work. So 15 days after means so 60 minus 15 is 45 days. Here human manpower is 1200 minus 300 becomes 900. Now you can after 15 days what is happening 1200 upon 900 multiplied with 45 gives 60 days. Those are the required number of days. Yes, any doubt in this, children? Shall I help you once again, or else any doubt you have, please let me know so that we can discuss. Yes.
Ma'am, no doubt.
Many applications based on this time and work, children, inverse proportions. But the concept, if you understand, you can easily solve the part. Another question. I'll write question. Yes, so Sita walked from place A to B. Sita walked from place A to Sita walked from place A to B in 8 hours. A to B in 8 hours. So here, walking 6 kilometer per hour, 8 hours, walking 6 kilometer per hour, 6 kilometer per hour, 6 kilometer per hour. How long would he take? How long would he take? How long?
Ma'am, Sita is a girl, no?
Yes, sorry. I wrote he here. Anyway, how long she? Yes, so sorry, children. How long she take? How long she take? How long would she take? How long would she take If she went by bicycle at rate of 16 kilometer per hour, this is the condition, children. If she went by bicycle at the rate of 16 kilometers per hour, at the rate
Then
of,
the total kilometers will be 48 now, ma'am.
very good, 16
Ma'am,
kilometers. 16 kilometers per hour. Just simple thinking, children. First of all, and, just read the question. Sita walked from the place A to B in 8 hours. Sita walked A to B in 8 hours. Walking 6 kilometer per hour. She is walking 6 kilometer per hour. She is walking speed is
Ma'am, I got
given.
an answer.
Very good. How
me too.
long would
Ma'am,
she
3 kilometer per hour.
ma'am, 3
Sorry,
kilo.
3
ma'am,
hours.
3
3
hours.
hours.
3 hours.
Yeah.
Very good, very good, very good.
Ma'am, it's 6
Uh,
upon 16 is equals to x by 8, which is
Yes, ma'am,
48
that
by
equation
16,
only.
which is 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, children. As speed increases, what happens, children? Is it time decreases?
Ma'am, decreases.
Yes, ma'am, the time
Yes.
decreases.
So that what type of proportion is it? Indirect
Inverse
proportion.
Inverse or indirect?
Inverse proportion. So that directly, come on, children, made the equation right now. Directly 8 into 16. So walking speed is 6. So 6 into 8. 6 into 8 gives
6 by
16
16 is
t.
equals to x by 8.
Yes. Time period, if you take as t, 16 t equal to whatever 8 into 6. So come on, children, please solve the value of t here. 8 into 6 by 16. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 3 hours. Very good. 3 hours. So like that, whatever application part is given, we can go with that. Children, I'm going to give few more questions. You please try to answer the question. I'm not going to reveal the answer. You people will answer. I'm going to call. I can get only answers from 2 students, Satvik and Sahu. No others are responding.
Ma'am, me, ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, okay.
Okay, I'll call. Now, please, this is your part, children. You're supposed to answer. A box of chocolates was divided among 36 children. Each got 15 chocolates. There are 36 children. Each got how many chocolates, children? Each got 15
15.
chocolates.
15 chocolates.
There are 15, so 36 children. Each got 15 chocolates. If the same box of chocolates was dividing among 27 children, I want to divide the same number of same chocolates was divided among 27 children. How many chocolates would each will get? Is it direct or indirect proportion?
Ma'am, indirect proportion.
Indirect, ma'am. More the
Very
children,
good.
less the chocolates.
Yes,
Yes. Very good. Now,
And the
please come on.
total chocolates would be 540 for the first ones, 36 children and 15.
Directly, you can complete, right, children? 36 by 27.
15 into
Yes,
36 is equal upon 27.
Yes, is equal to what we can take 15 by? Shall I take as x? No.
Yes, ma'am. Excellent.
So what is the value right now? Please solve it and give it, children.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
20.
yes, ma'am.
20 chocolates.
Ma'am, I think 20 is correct, ma'am. I got for
Ma'am,
you.
20 chocolates each student will get.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
which table I can cancel over here?
Ma'am, 27 table only. It comes 540, I think. So 20.
Ma'am, 36 into 15 is 540, ma'am. 27 into 20 is 540.
Ma'am, there is one more way to do this. We can multiply that 36 into 15. We'll get the number of chocolates and then divide.
Divide with 27. Very good, children. That is
Ma'am,
more
that's only I
simpler.
did, ma'am. That is the
Very good. Very good. That is more simpler way. Directly when once you are getting like MCQ questions, children, please mute your mic. Someone unmuted.
Yes, ma'am. My voice is echoing.
Yeah, please mute yourself. Still, it's not.
Ma'am,
muted.
Datri is unmuted.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Dhatri, please mute yourself. Right. All right, children. Just a minute, children. These are the questions. You can frame even your own questions, children. Next, one more part. Tyler had enough material to stitch 12 shirts. Tyler had enough material, 12 shirts. He has enough material, and each of which require 2.5 meter. Each shirt requires 2.5 meters. And here the another condition is if he makes the shirts of a smaller sizes using 2 meters. If he is making smaller size shirts like a 2 meters each, 2 meters each, find how many shirts can stitched with the same 12 meters, same material, or else the same material you can take, children. The question is, Tyler has enough material to stitch 12 shirts. Each requires 2.5 meters. If he makes the shirts of smaller sizes using 2 meters of cloth for each shirt, find how many shirts can be stitched with the same material. With the same material. Yes, it is also very simple like what you did earlier. Yes, how many can I take a 12 into 2.5 divide with the 2 children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So here what happens? What happens? Convert into mixed number here. Mix it to improper 2, 4, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2 1s are 2 3s are 15.
15.
How many? 15 shirts he can stitch. Yes or no, children? He can stitch 15 shirts. This is one more lively application, children. There
Ma'am, or
are
else
many
we can
questions.
even do it like 12 into 2.5, ma'am. That's easier.
Yes, that is, and there are some motor travels, or else a tap fills tank in 12 minutes, and with rate so and so is given. There are many applications on inverse proportions. Shall we go with the more some more part? 1 minute, children. I'll take the examples from textbook. These are one examples. We'll go with the textual sum. 1 minute, children. Next part here. 1 minute, children. Close the door and come back. Yes, here a motor can travels 3.5 hours, an average speed 25 kilometers per hour. Children, it's a motor car travels how many hours? 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours at an average speed of 25 kilometers per hour. 25 kilometers per hour. So how long would it take to cover the distance at the speed of 42 kilometer per hour? 42 kilometer per hour. Yes, children. So how you supposed to find out here? Yes, how you supposed to find? A car travels 3.5 hours at an average speed of 25 kilometers per hour. How long will it take to cover the same distance at the speed of 42
Ma'am,
kilometers
3.5
per
into
hour?
25 upon 42.
Very good. 3.5 or 3.5 into 25 upon 42. Come on, simplify, children. Which table we can use here? 7 table. 7 6 7 0.5
Ma'am, the
times.
answer comes in decimal. It is 2
Yes,
hours and
yes.
some time.
Or else you can take 0 point by 12, children.
Ma'am, is it 2.08 hours?
Yes, exactly. 2s are 24 to 1 by 12 hours. 2 1 by 12
Yes.
hours. Children, how I simplified, did you get, or else any doubt here? Instead of 0.5, I'm using
Ma'am, I
here.
got the answer as 2.08, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
That is also
2.08.
correct. Yes,
Something
2.08 is Correct, ma. That's also correct. Decimal you are representing, I am representing in mixed number. That's all.
Okay,
Both are
ma'am.
same. Right, children. Right. And next question. It's a tap fills a tank in 12 minutes. A tap fills a tank in 12 minutes. Even you can observe in your homes also, children. A tap fills a tank in 12 minutes. In 12 minutes. So here, if it fills at the rate of 90 liters a minute, what is the rate of filling, children? 90 liters per minute. 90 liters per minute. Suppose if it fills 90 liters per minute, 90 liters per minute, in how much time will a tap fill the tank if it falls at the rate of 140 liters per minute? Suppose it will fill at 140 liters per minute. How much time will it take to fill the tank, children? Yes, children.
Ma'am, can you
If-
repeat the question?
Yeah, a tap fills a tank at 12 minutes. Tap will fill the tank in 12 minutes if it fills at the rate of 90 liters per minute. Suppose if it is filling 90 liters per minute, it takes time 12 minutes. Whereas a tap fill the tank 140 liters per minute, how much time will it take to fill, children? Children, you got the point.
Ma'am, 12 into 90 by 140.
Very good. What is the value you are getting there? Yes. What is the value you are getting? Because it's indirect proportion, we can 90 liters per
Ma'am,
minute
is it
means how much time it is?
7.7 minutes?
Yeah. Children, here both are in minutes only, so that you no need of confusion. Sometimes they will different units are given. You have to be little careful. So 12 into 90 liters per minute divide with 140.
Ma'am, is it
Come on.
7.7 minutes?
Very good. Very good. So it's a 6 by 7. 9 6
Ma'am, 54 by 7.
54 by 7. 54 by 7 means how many
Ma'am,
minutes, children?
7.7 minutes.
Yes, 7.5
7.71 actually we can do,
by
ma'am.
7 minutes. Or else if you want to convert into seconds, so you can do, children, but answer is given in minutes only. Your wish, children, anything you can. Next.
Ma'am, it is 7.714 in decimal.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Nana, right. Many questions, indirect proportions also, like we'll go with a few more examples. Children, is it if I'm going little faster, please let me know, children, so that I can go.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
These are very simple topics. So there are many questions to think, different questions also we have. Yes. Yeah, 45 men can reap a field in 16 days. This is, you can solve. 45 men can reap a field in 16 days. How many men could reap the 24 days? This is also simple. Just you are multiplying and dividing by 24. Yes, 45 into 16 by 24. This is a very easiest question. Next one, children. A factory requires 126 machines to produce a given number of articles in
Ma'am, for
18
that
days.
one, I
Is
got
it
the answer
30?
30.
Ma'am,
30, ma'am.
30.
30 meter.
Yes, correct, children, correct. 30. So 30 men needed to do in 20, they can finish in 24 days, right? Next, a factory requires 126 machines to produce given number of articles in 18 days. So here 126 machines in 18 days they are doing. How many machines will be required to produce the same number of articles in 42 days? 42
Is it
days means
80 or 18? Okay, 18. It
18.
was 80.
So how many
Ma'am,
are
54.
126 into 18 by 42.
very good? How many machines are required to produce the same number of articles means 126 into 18 by 42.
40.
Ma'am, it's 54
Right,
machines.
right, children.
Yes, ma'am, 54.
Directly 54. Ones are how many times, children? 3 times. 18 3 times 54. Machines can be do that work. Yes. Same articles in 42 days. These are the different applications. Shall we go with a small quiz on this topic, children? If because
Yes,
yeah, how
ma'am,
much?
quiz.
Tomorrow we'll go with today we are going with time and work. Tomorrow we'll go with the time and distance is also there in this topic. Or else shall we complete the time and distance also? 1 or 2 examples we can complete, children, so that if last 5 minutes or 10 minutes, we'll go with 1 minute, children. Just a minute. We'll finish this time and distance application also. Then we will go with the quiz. A train to 120 meters long. Train is how much long, children?
120
train.
meters long.
Yes, a train 120 meters long takes 6 seconds to pass a telegraph post. How much time is taking, children? 6 seconds. 6 seconds it is taking to pass the telegraph post. Find the speed of train. You need to find speed of the train.
Ma'am, the same question was there for us last year in our book.
Okay. Yeah, so these are the time and distance. Last question, time and work we completed. How you supposed to find, children? Here also very same technique. You know the speed of train is nothing but distance traveled by time taken. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Distance by time taken.
Yes, ma'am.
How much?
Ma'am, and our
dis-
teacher told that consider the post, that telegraph post as a point.
Exactly. Telegraph post it is passing. Very good. Yes, so then what you supposed to, how you supposed to do? How you supposed to, but here units also you need to consider, children. One is given in meters, right? Distance
Yes,
is
ma'am, it
given
will
in
come in
meters,
meter per second.
a meter per second. Or else kilometer per hour they're asking means how you supposed to do. I want speed in kilometer per hour. I don't want meters per second. I want in kilometer per hour. How you supposed to do? Because it is meters means directly distance by time taken, you can directly complete. 120 by 6 is 20 minutes per second. You can that is the speed of the train you can, but I want
Ma'am, we
speed
can
in
multiply the
kilometer
value
per.
of meter per second by 3.6.
Very good. So that what answer you are getting, children, if you multiply
Ma'am, in
that?
kilometer per hour we will get.
Very good. 120 divided by 6 meters per second. If you want to convert into
Ma'am, 6.
kilo, yes, kilometer per hour means what
Ma'am,
you
we
should
wrote
do?
60.
Sorry, it's 6. So 112 meter per second.
20.
Yes. Sorry, 20, children. 20 meter per second. So that once 20, I want
Ma'am, is it
kilometer.
72 kilometer per hour?
Very good. 72 kilometer per hour. How you supposed to calculate this?
Ma'am,
Please.
multiply by 3.6.
Very good. Multiply by 3.6. Why you should multiply it with 3.6 here?
Ma'am, that is a long process. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter by
Very good.
1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minutes into 60
Very good.
seconds. That.
Very good. So we can do with a little process, or else it's directly if you want to convert with, you just multiply with 3.6 so that you will get it 72 kilometer per hour. Or else in processor, if you want, you can go with 60 into 60 again 3,600 on 3,600 by 3,600 into 12 means you will get as a 72,000 meters. Meters to kilometers means 72 kilometers. So speed means per hour. Again, you should divide, children. It's a long process, or else you can directly keep in your mind. You just multiply it with 3.6. Next, a train having a length 325 meters crossing a bridge 7. Yeah, this is crossing a bridge. A train length is given, children. Train length is 325 meters, whereas crosses a bridge of 775 meters long. Bridge is how much, children? 775 meters long. If the speed of train is given, children, speed is given as 55 kmph. Kmph means kilometer per hour. So my question is, how long will it take to cross the bridge? How long will it take the? Yes. A train.
Ma'am, I think the bridge can fit almost 2 trains at a time onto it.
Ma'am, is the
Exactly.
train 325 meter, no?
Yes, a train having length 325 meters crosses bridge 775 meter long. So if the speed of train is 55 kmph, how long will be the train takes to cross the bridge? So what you should do in this case, children? You have to add up the train length, because if you just train starting point, the complete train should cross the bridge. Yes,
Ma'am,
or no,
time
children?
is distance upon speed, the formula for time.
That is okay. That is okay. Time is nothing but a distance by speed. That's what you are said. Absolutely correct. So not only that, if train is crossing bridge means you have to combine these two lengths. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am. Means at
Yes,
the end,
ma'am.
till the train cross the bridge, means the end point of the train.
The end point of the train. So the length is nothing but how much, children? Very good. The length is nothing but if you combine these two together.
Ma'am,
what is
1100 meters. That is
1100
1.1 kilometer.
Yes, 1100 meters. So or else we can write
1.1
it as
kilometer.
very good. 1.1. You can write directly in the simplest form of fraction, children. 1.11 by 10 kilometers. To make our work easier, I am writing as 11 by 10 kilometers. Therefore, 55 kilometers is covered by the train in how many minutes? Oh, but that is given. 55 kilometers will travel in 1 hour. 1 hour means how many minutes, children? 60 minutes. That is speed of train is given. That's why I'm taking 55 kilometers. It will travel in 60 minutes. So you need to find out 1 kilometer will be
Ma'am, is
covered
it
with.
1.2 minutes? Is it 1.2
Very
minutes?
good. Very good. 1 kilometer can be covered by 60 by 55 minutes means how much, children?
Ma'am,
1.2
minutes.
1 minute. That 1 point after is the seconds, right, Nana?
Yes, ma'am, 1.2 minutes.
1.2 or 12, ma? 12, I think.
Ma'am, I did it like 11 by 10 into 1 by 55.
Oh, that is also you're supposed to multiply, right, Nana?
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
per minute you are getting, but this much distance you're supposed to travel. Therefore, 60 by 55 into 11 by 10. If you simplify, what you will get, children? 500 cut 6 by 5 means 6 by 5 means 1 5 ones are 5 1 by 5.
Ma'am, it's 1.2.
1.2. 1.2
Ma'am,
means
how did you get that 60 by 55?
60 here. See, Sahu, the speed of train is how much given? Speed of train is how much given? 55 kilometers
55 kilometer per hour.
So in 1 hour, how much distance is traveling? 55 kilometers. That means.
Ma'am, it's okay. We can do that later. Ma'am, may I tell how I did?
Yeah, please, because for
Ma'am,
your.
first of all, the train takes 11 by 10 kilometers, means 1.1 kilometer. The total
Yeah, that's
distance
okay.
is there.
The distance, yeah.
and the speed is given in kilometer per hour.
Very good.
So it is this formula for time is distance upon speed. So
Very
11
good.
it is 1.1 by 55. We can express that as 11.11 by 10 into 1 by 55. So we
Very
will get
good.
1 by 50. It is 1 by 50 r, which is 1 by 50 r. Then we will convert that to
Yes.
minutes. So it will come 1.2
One-
minutes.
1.2 minutes, they won't give 1.2 minutes as an answer, Sahu, but it is given minutes and seconds. How you supposed to convert? That's my question right now. Till here, what you are saying is absolutely correct. 1.2 minutes. 1.2
Ma'am,
minutes
then
is
it's
not
2 minutes 12 seconds.
very good. 2 minutes means 12. 2
Sorry,
minutes.
1 minute 12 seconds. 1 minute 12 seconds.
No,
Ma'am,
no,
it's
point
totally
2
72
minutes.
seconds, ma'am.
No, 0.2 minutes, not 1
Ma'am,
minute.
0.2 minutes means 12 seconds, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
So that 1 minute, can we take it as 1 minute and 12 seconds time?
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am,
no?
1 minute 12 seconds time.
Yes, children. That's why some whatever answer basically in MCQ questions there are different ways. Children they won't take a direct. Here they're asking 1 minute 12 seconds or 1.2 minutes or we can go with even mixed fraction like 1 by 5.
72 seconds also, no, ma'am. 72 seconds.
Yeah, these are about time and distance, children. I will just share one quiz link with you today. Whatever the concepts are covered, we'll just play that.